what is up, game? I'm back with another video. This is not no prank or whatever. It is my slime collection, okay? I'm supposed to have 2 today, but then at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., 10 p.m. or 11 something, my mom get off. We will have the other mystery, 2 mysteries. And I am not 15 like my sister said. I am. Guess how old? How old I look? Comment down below how old I look. Let me give y'all a good pic. How old do I look? Cute, don't I? And I got my hat. And anybody know where I get my hat done? Got it from Africans, and they braid hard. And I was kind of, so don't tell nobody. Alright, let's get started. Oh, jump, y'all. I almost said. Hey, let's get started. I just now got done finished cleaning up my room, and we about to have snacks, so roll it down for me. Y'all. Alright, come on, Tati. Honey, stop playing.
Y'all can see that for a second. But she haven't even told me to eat this.
Alright, guys, we just not finished eating. Okay, I'm gonna do y'all. Let y'all see my slime color, so scoop that over. Alright, this is soap slime. It's so sticky.
And her other soap slime is still.
Alright, so that's soap slime. Don't have much longer soap slime. And this is clay slime. Oh my goodness, Jesus. Clay slime. This is clay slime. And last but not least, this is putty slime. So putty slime. Putty slime. So thank you. If you haven't hit that like button, hit it. Ooh, out of space into trapping. Hit that like button. Hit it real good. Hit it. Ooh, boom, boom. Hit it real good. Hit it. Ooh.
You tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in at 6 in the morning. Where you been? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend. Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you'll never lose me. Steady claiming that